Welcome to Nuke It, episode 2, the cooking show for thirsty people. On this episode, we'll be making sweet tea. The ingredients you need are water, sugar, tea, a red cup with ice, and a spoon. Step 1. Open the bag. Put the bag into the water. Just drop the whole thing in the water. Alright, we're gonna double bag it because we like our tea extra strong on the show. Add sugar. There you go. Then microwave for 4 minutes. Here we have our sweet tea. Nice, rich, dark color. Scoop out the bag. Give sugar a little bit of stir. Here, red cup with the ice. Pour the tea into the ice. You have a refreshing sweet tea. And if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to try it at home and post in the comment how it turned out. If it was delicious, please comment. If it was disgusting, please comment. And if your house caught on fire, please post a video.